Hi everyone, welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. Today I want to talk about how to have a happy tax season. I want to give you three record keeping tips. When I first started my business, the first tax season was rough. I had all my documents everywhere. It was not organized. You may find that hard to believe, but it was just all over the place. What I learned is you have to prepare for tax season throughout the year. Tax season just doesn't start April 1st or March 15th. It actually starts January 1st. So as a business owner, we have to decide how are we going to prepare. We need to start saying to ourselves, how can we make our life easier? A lot of times it's just preparation. We have to be intentional on what we want to do and what we want to accomplish. So let me give you three tips regarding record keeping. Number one, rule technology. And what I mean by that is do not let technology rule you. Use it to your benefit. So, for instance, you can use Dropbox, you can use OneDrive to start storing all of your documents. Keep them in folders. You can decide, okay, whether you want those electronic or if you just want to put things in a folder. But you want to ensure that you're using technology to your benefit, and particularly if you're paying for it. Number two, create your own system. This is your own filing, your own record keeping system. How are you going to store your documents? Are you going to store everything electronically, or are you going to go just old school where you're just going to have folders? And what I do, even at home, I have a folder. So when I receive mail throughout the year that I think is going to affect my taxes, I just put it in that folder. And then when it's tax season, I just pull that folder out and then I can just scan everything in. So create a system that fits your business, that fits your lifestyle. Number three, make sure you back up your records. If you remember from Hurricane Katrina, everything was destroyed. You had medical records, dental records, business records, Social Security cards just completely lost. So make sure you have a backup system. I know a lot of us, we receive everything electronic now. That's whether our bank statement, our payroll, that's good. But also make sure you have your own backup system. So I suggest you still download those reports and save them in a cloud, whether that's whether that's Box, OneDrive, whatever the case may be, or even stored in your email. But have a backup system where those documents can be easily accessible. So as we know, running a business, there's so much to running a business. And usually record keeping is just not one, it's not on the top of our list. But it's very important because if you want to have a happy tax season, you have to have your documents. You have to have support that shows that you're actually operating as a business. So record keeping is the foundation. So I suggest, since it's spring, it's nice out, pick a morning, 30 minutes to 1 hour, and say, you know what, let me get organized. Just 30 minutes to 1 hour. I'm assure you that that time will be well spent and you'll feel more at peace and more organized. Make sure you check out more of our mini lessons on YouTube and check out Inside Business Academy. Take care.